If you are a corned beef lover like me, then you have got to try this delicious Ghanaian corned beef and egg stew. So I start by prepping my ingredients for the tomato base, and that includes about half of a medium brown onion, which I slice up, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, about half an inch of ginger, and I also chop up 4 medium tomatoes. Now, with the diced onion, I'm just going to include a little bit of that in my pepper blend, and the rest of it is going to make the base of my stew a little later. So chuck all of these ingredients into your blender and blend it until it's nice and smooth. Don't forget the Scotch bonnet pepper for that kick as well. So after I've blended it down, I add some oil to a pan and I start by cooking down those onions alongside some tomato paste. After those have cooked together, then you want to add in your tomato mix and cook that down for about 15 minutes. Now we start to bring it all together. I season it with a beef stock cube and I also add in my corned beef. You don't want to do too much when it comes to the stock cubes or the salt because the corned beef is already very salty. And then I season it with a dash of curry powder, rosemary and thyme. Allow that all to cook together for 5 minutes, and separately I'm going to prepare my eggs. I whisk together 3 eggs and then I add this on top of my stew and cover it. You want to let the eggs harden and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes and then you can go in and break them all up. Garnish it with some red onions and some bell peppers. Add some extra salt if needed. Simmer for a final 5 minutes and then you're done. Serve this with rice and trust me, you're absolutely going to love this. It's truly delicious. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.